Hello and welcome to another Nexus Digital tutorial. In today's guide setup, we're going to show you or walk you through the steps of adding a partner to your verified domain through the Facebook Business Manager. And with that said, let's get started. Okay, to assign a partner to your domain from the Facebook Business Manager, you're first going to navigate to your Business Manager business settings, and you can do that by clicking on the hamburger menu at the top and either selecting it here at Business Settings along from the Manage Business table here. And similarly, on the bottom left-hand corner, there will be a gearbox that you should be able to see. It's being covered by this recording, but that's another option. After you are in your business settings, you're going to navigate down to brand safety and simply click on domains. Here you should see a list of all the domains that you presently have verified or have access to or have been given partner access to. Here I've just kind of highlighted the Nexus Digital one just to make it simple. You click and highlight on that verified domain. You'll know it's verified because it'll be highlighted here in green. And it's very easy. All you're going to do is click on the Assign Partners button, either here in the top left or directly in the window here where it says Assign Partners. So click on that. And the account number that you're going to put in, or the Business Manager ID you're going to want to put in, is here. 732215360166202. And for the purposes of this demo, just so the partner will be able to create events that are linked to the pixel, you want to highlight that and simply click next. Now we're going to get an error message here because this is our own Business Manager ID, which actually owns the domain. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to show you another ID that I'm going to put in. Just going to highlight it, and then you're simply just going to click the next button. And as you can see, the asset's been added. One domain has been added to the business that we've just shared it with. You can click done, and it's that simple.